Okay, today is October 16th, 2010, and we're going to check out the new bypass bridge near Hoover Dam. We had a park at the big parking lot west of the bridge and west of the dam. That's Lake Mead. We got a huge parking lot here. We have to park in, and we have to go through security, and then we're going to get on one of these buses, and they have a lot of buses here to take us to the bridge. Okay, we're standing in line now. We want to go through security and get checked out. These are all the buses and all the people. It's currently only 8:30 in the morning. They started at 8 o'clock. So we'll go through security and we'll see what happens.
Who's got a paper airplane? How far do you think you made?
I think I would like to.
Yeah, and it's like what?
I'm going to be on my phone all weekend.
You just close this off. Yep. You're going back over now. You gotta go. I'll get a spot on mine.
Dari sini juga bisa udah kelihatannya.
Oh,